Now your exam structure, most important thing. So your exam has two sections, section A and section B, with 6 questions across the exam. So 3 questions in section A, 3 questions in section B. Question type, 3 MCQs in section A for 30 marks, 10 mark per MCQ. I'll repeat, 3 MCQs in section A for a total of 30 marks, 10 marks per MCQ, and 3 long structured questions in section B for 70 marks. So how are they set? Let me, if I have some space, I'll try to manage it. 30 marks, 1 question, and 2 for 20 mark each. So this means in section B, there will be, section B gives you a total of 30 marks, okay? So 70 marks, sorry. Section B gives you a total of 70 marks, okay? And within those 70 marks in section B, there will be 1 question for 30 marks, and the other 2 questions will be for 20 mark each. So 30 plus 20 plus 20, 70. In section A, you have got 30 marks, right? And you have got 3 MCQs, 10 mark per MCQ, right? The time allowed is 180 minutes, and this is something that we will definitely focus on during the course, which says stress, pressure, and time management, the most important area. That means you have 100 marks. 100 marks, 180 minutes. What do you have? 1.8 minute per mark. Okay? So always keep this in mind. But when we will be when we'll be dealing with our course, our questions, so I'll tell you to focus on 1.5 minute per mark. Never just assume you have 150 minutes. Don't assume that you have 180 minutes. Always keep a margin for delays. Try to complete it within 150 minutes. That's exactly how you will be able to actually complete it in 180. Always prepare yourself in such a way from day one. Okay?